How do vehicle expenses affect the finances of pop-up drink stands? Vehicle expenses can significantly impact the overall budget and profitability of these small businesses. Vehicle expenses include costs such as fuel, maintenance, insurance, and sometimes even leasing or loan payments for the vehicle used to transport the drink stand and supplies. For a pop-up drink stand, which often relies on mobility to reach different customers or events, these costs are unavoidable and can quickly add up. Fuel is one of the largest ongoing expenses because the vehicle needs to travel frequently, sometimes long distances, to set up in the best locations. Maintenance keeps the vehicle running smoothly, but repairs can be costly if not addressed early. Insurance is mandatory and protects against accidents or damages, but it also adds a regular financial obligation. If the vehicle is financed, monthly payments must be factored into the budget. All these costs reduce the amount of money left over from sales to cover other needs like ingredients, equipment upgrades, or paying employees. Many people don't realize that because these expenses are fixed or semi-fixed, they must be carefully planned for to avoid surprises that could hurt the business's cash flow. A common mistake is underestimating how much fuel and maintenance will cost, especially if the vehicle is older or used frequently in stop-and-go traffic. This can lead to running out of money unexpectedly or having to cut back on other important areas. Another misconception is thinking insurance is optional or cheap. In reality, commercial insurance can be a significant expense, and skipping it risks large losses if there is an accident. Some business owners also forget to keep track of all vehicle-related expenses separately from other costs, which makes it hard to see how much the vehicle actually costs and plan accordingly. To avoid these issues, track every fuel purchase, repair bill, and insurance payment carefully and include them in your monthly budget from the start. This way you can price your drinks appropriately and decide whether it's worth investing in a more fuel-efficient or reliable vehicle. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app called Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.